Anthony S. Fauci. Birthday, December 24, 1940. Birthplace, Brooklyn, New York, USA. Star sign, Capricorn. Profession, physician-scientist and immunologist. Early years and education. Anthony Stephen Fauci was born on December 24, 1940, in Brooklyn, New York, the second child of first-generation Italian-American parents Eugenia and Stephen. A sports nut, he spent his days playing baseball, basketball and football, when not busy working the cash register or making deliveries for his father's pharmacy. Fauci attended Regis High School in Manhattan, where he served as captain of the basketball team, before turning his focus to pre-med studies at the College of the Holy Cross in Worcester, Massachusetts. After graduating first in his class from New York City's Cornell Medical College in 1966, he completed his internship and residency at New York Hospital Cornell Medical Center. Career. Dr. Fauci was appointed director of NIAID in 1984. He oversees an extensive portfolio of basic and applied research to prevent, diagnose, and treat established infectious diseases such as HIV/AIDS, respiratory infections, diarrheal diseases, tuberculosis and malaria, as well as emerging diseases such as Ebola and Zika. NIAID also supports research on transplantation and immune-related illnesses, including autoimmune disorders, asthma, and allergies. The NIAID budget for fiscal year 2021 is an estimated $6.1 billion. Dr. Fauci has advised 7 presidents on HIV/AIDS and many other domestic and global health issues. He was one of the principal architects of the President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief, PEPFAR, a program that has saved millions of lives throughout the developing world. Dr. Fauci also is the longtime chief of the Laboratory of Immunoregulation. He has made many contributions to basic and clinical research on the pathogenesis and treatment of immune-mediated and infectious diseases. He helped pioneer the field of human immunoregulation by making important basic scientific observations that underpin the current understanding of the regulation of the human immune response. In addition, Dr. Fauci is widely recognized for delineating the precise ways that immunosuppressive agents modulate the human immune response. He developed effective therapies for formerly fatal inflammatory and immune-mediated diseases such as polyarteritis nodosa, granulomatosis with polyangiitis, formerly Wegener's granulomatosis, and lymphomatoid granulomatosis. Dr. Fauci has made seminal contributions to the understanding of how HIV destroys the body's defenses, leading to its susceptibility to deadly infections. Further, he has been instrumental in developing treatments that enable people with HIV to live long and active lives. He continues to devote much of his research to the immunopathogenic mechanisms of HIV infection and the scope of the body's immune responses to HIV. In a 2020 analysis of Google Scholar citations, Dr. Fauci ranked as the 32nd most cited living researcher. According to the Web of Science, Dr. Fauci ranked 9th out of 2.5 million authors in the field of immunology by total citation count between 1980 and January 2021. During the same period, he ranked 20th out of 2.4 million authors in the field of research and experimental medicine, and 132nd out of 992,000 authors in the field of general and internal medicine. Dr. Fauci has delivered major lectures all over the world and is the recipient of numerous prestigious awards, including the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the highest honor given to a civilian by the President of the United States, the National Medal of Science, the George M. Kober Medal of the Association of American Physicians, the Mary Woodard Lasker Award for Public Service, the Albany Medical Center Prize in Medicine and Biomedical Research, the Robert Koch Gold Medal, the Prince Mahidol Award, and the Canada Gairdner Global Health Award. He also has received 46 honorary doctoral degrees from universities in the United States and abroad. Dr. Fauci is a member of the National Academy of Sciences, the National Academy of Medicine, the American Academy of Arts and Sciences, and the American Philosophical Society, as well as other professional societies including the American College of Physicians, the American Society for Clinical Investigation, the Association of American Physicians, the Infectious Diseases Society of America, the American Association of Immunologists, and the American Academy of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology. He serves on the editorial boards of many scientific journals and as an author, co-author, or editor of more than 1,300 scientific publications, including several textbooks. Family and personal life. Fauci met Christine Grady, now chief of the Department of Bioethics at the NIH Clinical Center, when she was a young nurse at the NIH and her future husband needed her help to translate for a Portuguese-speaking patient. They were married in 1985 and have 3 daughters, Jennifer, Megan, and Allison.